Welcome to the Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control 12C demo series, focusing on the best practices for Oracle BI applications management. The screen watch is a part of a series on Service Level Management or SLM for OBIEE applications. In part 3, we'll show you how to use EM12C to monitor and create a report on availability and performance metrics over a period of time through Service Level Management capability. SLM includes three components, which are Service Level Agreement, Service Level Objectives, and Service Level Indicators. After SLA has been created, we can also review the dashboard to create a report on availability and performance of usage metrics. Let's start with creating the Service Level Agreement. To configure the Service Level Agreement, go to the Service and drop-down menu, select the Service Level Agreement and Configuration. Click the Create button and provide the name of your Service Level Agreement. I'll provide BI, SLM, and you can also change the level agreement period by clicking the pencil icon, and I'll change to daily. And if you want to have your SLA to run certain period of time, you can provide the expiration date. And also, if your system want to have a blackout times in some future time, and if you want the Service Level Agreement to include your black time, then click the Include Blackout Times and select Include Time as Met. Click Next. Each Service Level Agreement can have a multiple Service Level Objective, which will be configured in this step. So click Create button and provide the name of your Service Level Objectives. So first I will create the Availability SLO and type as availability. And I will select my expected service level as 85% and warning alert level as 90%. Down here is a measurement window where you can run the SLO or the monitoring, or if you wanted to have a different measurement window, click the Add button and select the different business calendar that you wanted to run the SLO. Click OK. Go to Next. And each SLO has its service level indicators. So for the availability, we have a target status as up and click Submit. This time I'll create the performance SLO. So name my SLO as performance and select the type as performance and take the default value for the expected service level and warning alert level and the measurement window. Click Next. So in this step, the service level indicators, click the Add button, and it will show all the metrics that I promoted during the creation of the service. So I'm going to select the CPU usage, and if I want to if I want to add more service level indicators, click Add, and I plan to add memory usage and total time for my performance indicators. So total time. And as you can see, the comparison operator takes the value from my critical threshold that I defined during the service creation. Once I'm satisfied with the service level indicators for my performance service level objective, click the Submit button, and you can see that the performance SLO has been created. So under BI SLM service level agreement, I have created availability SLO and performance SLO, and click Next. This step will ask whether we want to enable the service level agreement now or want to enable later, or just set it to do not enable and come back sometimes later if you want it to enable. If you click Enable Now, then you cannot edit the service level agreement. So since I wanted to enable, I'll select the Enable Now and click Next. Last step is review of my service level agreement configuration. Once I'm fine with my configuration, submit the creation of the service level agreement. So this concludes the creation of the SLM. After SLA has been up and running for a while, you can click the SLA dashboard to see the data of the SLA. So here I have availability and performance SLO, and it's the SLI for status for availability and couple of metrics for the performance. And by going to generic service and clicking the information publisher reports, we can take a look at the more of the SLA related data. Go to dashboards and click the services and SLA dashboard and check your target is correct and click continue. Here you can take a look at the service dashboard and service level agreement. Click the status will lead up to the more detailed information and expand your dashboard service, and here's your beacon. It will show the status, and if there's any downtime, the pie chart will show that. And if there's any components was down, it will show here as well, and then you can drill down to the down components. And if there's any instance or alert, it will show under down here. And if you want to check the SLO for performance and usage metrics, you can click or drill down to each one of the performance and usage indicators as well. So let's see what we have on the usage metrics. And here we'll see the data for the usage metrics of the metrics that you have promoted. And if there's any alerts that are associated with the usage metrics, it will show under the alerts tab. And let's go back to our dashboard. So the service dashboard and SLM provide a holistic view of your service availability. It can give you a proactive way of managing your BI applications. This concludes our demo of the BI service and SLM creation. In part 3, you have watched how to create the SLA and its related components by utilizing the service performance and usage metrics. You can establish the SLA for a certain period of time and use dashboard and reports to monitor the compliance of SLA. We highly recommend customers to use SLM since SLM is a key tool for setting, measuring, and monitoring the maintenance of service goals. Through SLM, system admin can be alerted when the desired quality is not being met. SLM is also a key tool to ensure the key targets for service success. This concludes our demo of creating the service level management. Thank you for watching all 3 parts of Oracle BI Best Practices in SLM. Thank you for watching this demonstration. For more information, please visit the following website.